Want a hassle-free company setup in Dubai, UAE? If yes, you have come to the right place. Dubai is home to thousands of entrepreneurs wanting to set up a company in the UAE. The Emirate is known for being liberal in terms of business regulations, taxation policies, and lifestyle. Its connectivity to over 17 countries via air and sea makes it a top hub for trade and other business practices. Not only that, but the company setup cost in Dubai is affordable and can be customized to suit specific business needs. Shura Business Setup offers a variety of packages in different jurisdictions for entrepreneurs and investors from all walks of life. Our experienced corporate advisors are ready to guide you through the entire business setup process in UAE. Salient features are: you can get 100% ownership in UAE mainland. Number 2, free investor visa. Number 3, banking services. Number 4, 100% business ownership. It is easy to fill the form step by step. Step number 1, talk to Shura corporate advisors. Step number 2, finalize your list of business activities. Step number 3, apply for the license. Step number 4, get your visa and Emirates ID. Step number 5, open a corporate bank account. It's as simple as that. Basic infrastructure is already in place. Move in and begin your business as soon as permission is granted by the authorities. Shura will do all the necessary arrangements required to open and run your business in a jiffy. This is the best that you can get anywhere in the world. Wish you the very best. Contact immediately. Thank you.